Today in front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So first I'll just show you that I set up my face recognition here, and now you can see that I can unlock the device with my face here, and I will just make a couple of tries to unlock the device, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works really fast here. We just can unlock the device less than in 1 second. So okay, once again, no, that's really good result for the face unlock. And now I'll just want to try one more thing, just to unlock the device with my glasses, because I set up the face unlock without the glasses, and now I'll try to wear them and to unlock the device one more time, and we'll see does this unlock method works so fast like in just without them. So as can you see, it's work the same. So just try that. I suggest you to try, for example, if you don't like some unlock methods like the pin codes or passcodes, so you can try it, but don't forget that the face unlock and fingerprints, these methods, they are less secure than the pin code or passcode, so be careful. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.